How to fix Eero Router Not Connecting. Here are some quick troubleshooting steps to try. Start by unplugging your modem and Eero router for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in to reset the connection. Make sure your modem is online and that the Ethernet cable between the modem and the Eero is securely connected. Place the Eero in an open spot, not behind walls or inside cabinets, to ensure a strong signal. Open the Eero app to check for any error messages and follow the recommended steps. If the router still isn't connecting, try restarting your phone and reconnecting to the Eero network through the app. Updating the Eero software is also important since outdated firmware can cause issues. If nothing works, press and hold the reset button on the back of the Eero until the light flashes to restore factory settings, then run setup again in the app. And if the problem continues, contact Eero support for further help. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.